Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Merrimack St Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2023 Volvo C40 Recharge Twin. So this is the Recharge Twin all-wheel drive plus, sticker price of $58,640. Sage green with a black interior. 402 horsepower, 486 pound-feet of torque, which makes this thing absolutely... This is a small car with pretty much 500 foot-pounds of torque. And it does look really, really good. Look at this sunroof too. I mean, may not open, but that is just sick. Backup camera. Without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. So obviously, full electric. I do have one pedal drive active. It took a lot of getting used to, but now I love it. So just lift off the gas. I'm not touching the brake. It'll come all the way to a stop, and even gradually as you come to a stop, decrease the regen so it's a nice smooth stop. So it's a very, very smart system. I think one of my favorites in electric cars. I will say this car feels very normal. And now, in the future, when every single car is electric cars are going to feel normal. But this car drives like a gas car. It's not in my face that this is electric. It just is. And I think there's something to be said about that. You know, Volvo's never been one to be very in your face about a lot of things. It's just in the background being good. This is a really good car, and when the first time I stepped on this thing, I was blown away at just how quick it is. Yeah, a Tesla Plaid's faster, but in this segment, holy cow! This thing absolutely flies. And then, if you really want to, you can press the brake a little bit harder, activate those discs. Oh my goodness. I don't think if you use one pedal driving, you might go through a set of brake pads every 80,000 miles. Because you really don't need the brakes. This has to be one of the best driving Volvos in recent years. This thing is so good. It is so good. Even then, I can feel each wheel clawing away. I can feel the rear want to rotate. This is a really, really good car to drive really, really hard. And on top of being really, really fun to drive, it's very, very comfortable. It is just such a good car to drive. I could buy one of these and love it. And if Volvo is going to start making electric cars like this, oh, I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't have the sound, but I don't know. This is just good. I believe this is Volvo's first mass-produced full electric vehicle. And I might be wrong in saying that, because I want to say they have in the past. But right out the gate, this thing is really, really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.